RNA World. RNA World. A question that arises. In some organisms, most of the plant viruses consider RNA as the genetic material, except that plant viruses and remaining organisms in them, DNA is the genetic material. That means in most of the organisms, DNA is the genetic material. In most of the plant viruses, RNA is the genetic material, no doubt at all. But which one is the first genetic material in the evolution? No doubt at all, RNA is the first genetic material. RNA is the first genetic material than DNA. During the course of evolution, DNA evolved from RNA. Then what is the proof? RNA is the genetic material. Metabolism, that is the protein synthesis, completely present around that RNA. RNA that is involved in protein synthesis. Splicing that is related to the RNA. Metabolism, protein synthesis, splicing, all are present around that RNA. But RNA is reactant and unstable, catalytic property. So during the course of evolution, gradually that material attains stability and it becomes the DNA. Uracil that removed out, instead of that thymine is inserted. Hydrogen bonds are formed, complementary strands are formed. Gradually it attains the stability. And one of the experiments showed by this Griffith, already we studied, heat killed S strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae. From that, DNA transferred to the R strain. That means even after temperature killed by the S strain, DNA is not affected. Of course, only hydrogen bonds that are broken. But it retains its character and transfer that R strain into the S strain. So DNA is more stable than RNA. By change in external temperature, by change in physiological condition, the DNA not changes, but RNA that changes. That means during the course of evolution, DNA is formed from the RNA. But RNA is the first genetic material in the living world. But during the course of evolution, by attaining stability, DNA originated from RNA.